Hello, everyone. I have no idea if I'm live yet, so be sure to comment and let me know you're here. Tell me where you're from, what you're sewing. Tell me anything. I like hearing all of the juicy gossip. So tell me what you're doing. Let me make sure you're here and I'm live and my comments are working so that I can answer all of your questions. Hi, Kathy. Oh, so happy to see you. How's it going today? I have some beautiful fabrics to share with you guys, and I'm really excited about it. We have a couple of new fabric bases and some beautiful colors. Ooh, Cascade, Iowa. Nice. I like Iowa. I'm from the Midwest originally. Are you dealing with lots of snow? Hi, Brenda. You're from Ohio. I remember. Do you guys have lots of snow? I hear Ohio has like dangerously low temperatures right now. Ooh. Hope you're taking care and being careful. Oh, sorry. Tiffany's here. She's just checking to make sure that the live is going. Ooh. I hope you're not out and driving on those roads, Kathy. That sounds terrible. Hi, Sarah. Leggings and hoodies. All the cozy fabrics, I hope. That sounds amazing. I really need to make some leggings. I just printed the pattern. Gonna go to town on some sewing. I'm super excited to share with you guys today. Hi, Alexandria. It's really great to see all of you guys today. I have some beautiful fabrics to share. I have some exciting news to share. I have last week's winner of last week's fabric. And of course, every comment you guys have today will enter you to win today's reveal booty. Hi from Wisconsin. Oh, that's so exciting. I love Wisconsin. I don't miss the snow. Oh, good. Crafting and cleaning is perfect. I would take the cleaning right off that list, but personal choices. So you guys want me to just get started with my beautiful fabrics? So today I actually have some chiffon to show you. So chiffon is a very airy, sheer, plain weave cloth. It's made by super highly twisting the yarns before weaving them. So it's a woven fabric, no stretch. It's got such beautiful drape. It's so soft. It's usually got a little bit of a shine to it. And I've never seen it not sheer, so it's usually sheer. So keep that in mind. But also look at this color. So this is the Glacier Blue Chiffon Solid. I mean, you can just see just how sheer that is. That is just a beautiful sheer fabric. Look at the drape on this. It is beautiful. It is, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's a pain to work with. But the end result is always worth it, and there's tons of tricks for how to make it slightly less terrible to work with. There's a gelatin method. You can starch it. You can use tissue paper while sewing it. There's tons and tons of options for making sewing it less terrible, and I promise you the end result is always, always worth it. So this is a 100% polyester chiffon. It is 70 GSM, so it's nice and lightweight. It is beautiful. It feels amazing on your skin. It's so soft. There's no stretch to it. So I highly recommend it for all of your favorite blouses, maybe some lingerie, dresses. Let's see what I'm missing things. It's great for like an airy, like oversized floaty robe, which is beautiful. It's super popular for summertime and springtime, but I love it in the wintertime because it makes me feel like it's summertime. So I love it in my home when it's all toasty warm. I can wrap myself in like a robe made of chiffon and just feel a little luxurious and lovely. And this blue is stunning. Pretty slips would be perfect. It definitely reminds me of the ocean Tiffany who's commenting while standing here, and I love it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful blue, and I love it. Hi, Verna. So glad you could join us. So that is my chiffon solid in Glacier Blue. I lost my tote. There we go. So next up, I have some Poplin for you, which if you caught my live yesterday in the Rebecca Page group, you know that Poplin is my favorite woven fabric. It is also a plain weave cotton fabric, super fine horizontal ribbing on it. It's a very strong, crisp fabric. It has a slight silky texture to it. It's very useful for men and women's shirts, jackets, pants, dresses, sportswear, raincoats. And I have it here in this gorgeous blush pink that I'm a little bit obsessed with. So this is Cotton Poplin Solid Blush Pink. This is a 98% cotton, 2% spandex blend. So it does have a little bit of spandex in it. It is stable though. There's no stretch to it. There's just like if I really tug on it, it's got some mechanical stretch, but it's not intended to have stretch. It's just a little bit of wearing ease. Um, so this is 120 GSM. So it's a little bit lighter weight. As you can see, when I double it over, you can see the difference, and it is not opaque. It is a little bit sheer. You can see my dress through that. But oh boy, is it worth every minute you will spend sewing this. Poplin is super easy to sew with. It's just it. I think it sews up just like a quilting cotton. And it is the perfect color, Sarah. You're right, for Valentine's Day. It's a beautiful pink. You could make something cute out of this and pair that with the double brush poly hearts we have in black and ivory, or white and black. That would be gorgeous. But it's just perfect for, yeah, spring dresses. You guys are way ahead of me on these things. Perfect for spring dresses. I would love, love, love to make a spring blazer out of this. Would be so beautiful to wear over. I have this gorgeous chambray dress, like a chambray button-up dress. A spring blazer out of this would be the perfect complement. Ooh, all your Easter dress needs right here. And you could make some coordinating ties and bow ties for your guys, you know, in your life, and that would be adorable. So this is Cotton Poplin in blush pink. The rest of my fabrics are just, oh, thank you. Not just, they're wonderful. Are regular knits. I'm not trying to convert you guys to woven lovers. I've got some beautiful knits for you guys today as well. So I am going to start with this beautiful French terry that is heathered gray. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is classic sweatpants. Honestly, it's the perfect heathered gray to put your guy in some very attractive sweatpants. Okay, we all know what I'm talking about here. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's this great baby French terry. The loops on the back are just these tiny little baby loops. They look so good. Let me tell you about this. So this is a poly rayon spandex blend. It's nice and stable. That rayon just gives it that little bit of softness and drape, and just the tiniest little sheen. Tiny, tiny little sheen. Nothing terrible. It is 210 GSM, so it is the perfect weight for some sweatpants or a hoodie or whatever you want to make out of it, because it's perfect. It does have 30% horizontal stretch, and it is stable vertically. So it is just one of my favorite French terries. I feel like I need a basic hoodie out of this. Maybe break out my silhouette and put some vinyl on it. Ooh, Sarah just used it, you guys. Oh, she makes everything. I love it. Yes, definitely perfect for work from home loungewear. So that is our baby French terry, solid heathered gray. I love it. So I've also got some more baby French terry for you. And this is in Marsala. So this baby French terry has significantly more rayon in it. So this actually has 31% rayon, whereas the heather gray only has 10, and it's so soft. So you can see how much that changes the drape of the fabric. You can see it's a little bit more drapey and a little bit has a bit more of a sheen to it. And that's the rayon content right there. So I'm like getting ahead of myself. I'm like out of breath from excitement. What am I doing with my life? This is Marsala. It's 210 GSM, just like the other one. It's also 30% horizontal stretch and stable vertically. It's so soft. I want to make a cardigan out of this and just wrap myself in it and curl up. So it's super soft, super comfy. It is a little bit, it's reading a little dark on my screen, but that could be, again, laptop cameras tend to be a little bit darker than cell phones.
Yeah, it is slightly darker.
Okay, so it is a little bit darker. So it's just a little bit brighter than you're seeing on your screen, maybe. Just be sure to check that picture. But it's just a beautiful color. I also think this is a great color for Valentine's Day without screaming pink. It's just that great, really soft, gorgeous, kind of feminine tone. Or not. I would put my dad in this. Um, so that is Marsala Baby French Terry. Beautiful cardigan, yes. I love it. I love it. I'm in a dancing mood today. It's Friday. It's going to be a good weekend, I think. I'm going to make it a good weekend. Who has fun weekend plans? I'm feeling chatty, you guys. You guys have to chat with me. So next up, I have a cotton spandex solid in stone. And this is also a heathered look. And I just want to bring it a little closer because it reads very gray from afar, but it does have some stone kind of beigey tones to it up close. In like all the right ways. It's beautiful. It is our 7-ounce cotton spandex, so you can see through this color slightly. You can see my dress a little bit. Finally Friday indeed. So this is a 95.5 cotton spandex. It is 75% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. So it's that really great versatile cotton spandex that we all know and love. That I kind of also want to make a cardigan out of this. Is that weird? I don't know. I'm gonna go with it. So that is cotton spandex in stone. Being lazy, I would like to take your weekend plans, please. The Marsala French Terry is 210 GSM, so it's the same as the Heather Gray French Terry. I also love cotton spandex. It's such a versatile fabric. I really do. What? That sounds like a really fun but very busy weekend, Sarah. Just crazy. Thank you, Mimi. This is you know what? I don't remember the name of the pattern. It's a 5 out of 4 dress that has all the seams to it. I don't know if you can see all my seams. It's got a ton of seams running down it in Summer Haze in navy, which we only have a couple of yards left. I think we just restocked the last like 1 or 2 yards. But it's a double brush poly and it's so comfortable. It always makes me feel summery and happy. So I like wearing it when I'm feeling gloomy. I'm blathering because I only have one fabric left. And I'm sad about that. But I am excited because I got the last roll of this from my vendor. This is the Nub Jersey, which y'all know is one of my favorites, in mustard. I was so excited to get my hands on this because this mustard color is perfect. So you guys know I'm from Wisconsin. You know I'm a Packer fan. You have to know I'm a Packer fan. So mustard is like my jam. It also just looks really cute on me. So this is Nub Jersey in mustard. So Nub Jersey is poly linen. So it doesn't have any spandex in there, but it is a knit fabric. It's 130 GSM, so it's a little bit lighter weight. You can see through it slightly. It's very lightweight. It's so soft and easy to work with, and it's so breathable because of that linen. Ooh, modal. I love modal. It's one of my favorite fabrics. So 130 GSM. It does have 90% horizontal stretch, but then it is stable vertically. Kim, maybe the Lucy, that sounds familiar. I made it in the fall last year, and I'm terrible with names. I don't find that it grows. The linen is more stable than rayon. Rayon is a very delicate fiber. Linen is much more stable. So I don't find that it grows. If anybody else has some experience with that, I would love for you to comment in the chat for the lovely Stephanie. Oh, Sarah, cotton spandex is great for yoga pants, tops. I like it for like workout style tops, even if I don't actually work out in them. I love it for undies. It's super comfy. Yes, Barbara, yes. Love seeing that. Yes, way too many names, and almost all of them are girls. And if this is a Lucy dress, then there's probably 3 other Lucys, and it's hard to keep them all straight. But it is 5 out of 4, and it's such a beautiful dress. It has all of these seams, so it really hugs your curves beautifully without hugging your curves. And I love it. I didn't do the tie option, but I think there was a tie option. I didn't do the tie option, but I love back ties, and I think I was just short on time.
Another love your fabric.
Yeah. We just have a 1 or 2 yards left, so if you want to get it, I would grab it before it's gone. So I'm gonna get back to this. I think I'm done with this Nub Jersey, actually. So Nub Jersey in mustard, available now. I've gotten very distracted. I love this. I can't wait to see what you make with your Nub Jersey, Verna. That sounds really fun. I have a very exciting announcement for you. So we all know and love the big game sale that happens every year. So we're going to do it again this year. So be sure to check out the group during the first and second quarter to enter to win some crazy good prizes. I'll post later what those prizes are because I don't remember them off the top of my head. But I know we're giving away gift cards and mystery boxes and swatch kits and crazy. Like it's gonna be crazy. We're giving away different two sets of prizes during the first and second quarter, and then we're gonna do a huge sale starting at halftime, running just until midnight. So you don't have to watch the game if you don't want to. If you're not a fan of the game or you have issues with the game, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna start a sale at halftime and run it until midnight Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so be sure to check out the group because I will post in the group as things are happening so you can enter to win some gorgeous prizes and free fabric. And you'll know when the sale goes live so you can grab all of your favorite fabrics on super, super sale. I want to say this is one of our biggest sales of Sly Fox Fabrics so far. So it's going to be worth it. It's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait to hang out and interact and see all of you guys chatting and having fun in the giveaways. Um, I will be hanging out in the group having some fun because the Packers lost, so they're not in it. Um, so that is what I will be doing. So be sure to check us out. I will post later today so that you guys have the details and can refer back to it. The game starts at, oh goodness, I want to say 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, but now I want to say 8:30. No, it's 6:30 Eastern Standard Time. It usually lasts about 4 hours, so the sale will start around 8:30-ish, but I will definitely post in the group as soon as it goes live. Um, two purchases, that's fine. They'll both get shipped out Monday. Our turnaround time is insane right now. People are getting their orders shipped like 20 minutes after ordering. So we've got a great team here ready to cut your orders and go to town. So huge sale, giveaways on Sunday. Starting at 6:30, I will post all the details in the group for you. All of your comments on today's video will enter you to win today's 6 1-yard cuts. And last week, someone wins last week's prize. Lucy Skolnick, I want to say. I'm so sorry if I mispronounced that. You are the winner of last week's Reveal Booty. So if you want to give us an email at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, we'll go ahead and arrange to ship that out to you. And then every comment all week to enter to win this week's prize. And we will be back here next Thursday, or next Friday. Today's Friday. Next Friday, but don't forget to hang out with us on Sunday to enter to win some beautiful prizes and take advantage of that sale. Have fun, support your teams, Bills, Lions, whoever you like, support your team, have some fun, and I will see you guys on the Facebook page chatting away on Sunday. Have a good one, guys.